Okay class, it's time for learning German pages 118 to 120. Rushed. Who just burping here?
Moi, Deborah Mihalik et la Feroccious Rebecca sommes en train de roter dans la classe de la loi.
Vablais Le-Quartalap, Deborah Mihalik and Feroccious Rebecca. How dare you both of three are burping here in the class of law. Both of three are not allowed to burping here in class of law nor in the principal's office, and all the above. Vablais, Deborah and Rebecca, the boys usually burping, not the girls usually burping here. That does it. Both of three are go to the principal's office right now.
You're getting paid for this for we're going to principal's office with us, you entitled Karen.
Hey. Say calling me entitled Karen to me is not okay for saying that to me Feroccious Rebecca, Vablais Le-Quartalap and Deborah Mihalik. Get in the principal's office right now you both of three.
Sorry class, let's learning German pages 118 to 120 now.
Why are you both of three here in office please?
We burped here in class of law.
Oh. My. God. First of all, Vablais Le-Quartalap Feroccious Rebecca and Deborah Mihalik. Why would think that's okay for burping here in class of law? You both of three are not supposed to be here burping at school of daycare. You know it's rude to do that. And second of all, how old are you both of three now?
45.
Arband.
And 17.
Vablais Le-Quartalap, you're 45 years old. Deborah Mihalik, you're 41 years old, and Feroccious Rebecca, you're actually 17 years old. Wow. Rushed. I specifically said to you both of three, how dare you both of three are burping here in class of law. You should know better than that. The boys usually burping at home, and the girls usually burping too, but not much at all. Girls are not allowed to usually burping here at school, nor in the office and all the above, and it's not funny. That's it. I'll calling your parents about this. Go home right now both of three.
No snivy vam snap trap. Please don't call our parents. We matter get out of here Miss Elves for this.
No. 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 No.
Feroccious Rebecca. How dare you burping in class of law along with Vablais Le-Quartalap and Deborah Mihalik, Snivy Van Snaptrap, your principal, and Catherine Johnson, your German course teacher, told me that you, Vablais Le-Quartalap and Deborah Mihalik are burping here in class of law. And even calling to Catherine Johnson and entitled Karen, Feroccious Rebecca, this is unacceptable. You're only 17 years old. And you're not 18 years old yet and all the above. I'll tell you what, Feroccious Rebecca. Just maybe you're getting August 1st of 2025 for having your birthday soon. That does it. You are grounded for the rest of your day. Get in your butt in your room right now and be ashamed of yourself.
Yes Mom. If you say so.
Yeah, you're right, Feroccious Rebecca. I know if I say so for you, I guess.
Vablais Le-Quartalap. How dare you burping here in class of law just along with Feroccious Rebecca and Deborah Mihalik. Snivy Van Snaptrap and Catherine Johnson told me that you, Feroccious Rebecca and Deborah Mihalik, are burping here in class of law for no reason, and you even calling to Catherine Johnson and entitled Karen. No, it is not happening at all, and that's still not okay for saying that to your German coercion teacher like that. Vablais Le-Quartalap, you're actually 45-year-old. That does it. You're grounded for the rest of your life. Go to your room right now. Oh, knock it off, Vablais Le-Quartalap, and go to sleep early.
Deborah Agatha Mihalik. Me and my wife and my son are so angry at you right now. How dare you burping here in class of law along with Vablais Le-Quartalap and Feroccious Rebecca, Snivy Van Snaptrap your principal, and Catherine Johnson your German coercion teacher told us that you, Feroccious Rebecca and Vablais Le-Quartalap, are just burped here in class of law for no reason, and even calling to Catherine Johnson a entitled Karen. Deborah Mihalik, this is unacceptable now.
Why would you do this, Deborah Mihalik? Huh? You know that Deborah Mihalik, you know that Deborah Mihalik, you know that Deborah Mihalik?
Yes, I can know that.
Well, you don't know that Deborah Mihalik for what you did today. That's it. You are so grounded for the rest of your life too today. Go to our room right now and think about what you did today.